As the host of Southern Gardening, I love getting to promote great plants for our gardens and landscapes. Today I'm in Poplarville looking at a series of plants that have really performed well this year. Treated as an annual here in our area, pentas are perfect for our summer and fall weather. The name pentas comes from Latin, which means 5, because each of its small flowers have 5 petals that resemble colorful stars. As a matter of fact, pentas are also known as Egyptian star clusters. These flowers bloom in clusters from spring until fall frost. You can expect up to 20 clusters of flowers on one plant at any given time, adding a vibrant splash of color to your garden. In addition to their beauty, pentas are also an attraction for butterflies and other pollinators. The Butterfly series of pentas is one of my favorites. Butterfly White Penta features classic white blooms that resemble bright stars. Butterfly Orchid Penta is a variety that features striking blooms that are typically a shade of pink or light purple color. Butterfly Deep Rose is another stunning variety that showcases deep, dark pink flowers with light pink eyes. Lastly, Butterfly Lt Lavender Penta is a beautiful plant that produces clusters of lavender-colored flowers. Its unique color makes it a standout addition to any garden. Like other pentas, it also attracts beneficial insects and provides a rich nectar source summer through fall. Be sure to deadhead, as this will promote more flowering color throughout the year. I'm Eddie Smith, and I will see you next time on Southern Gardening.